Pero seriously, ladies and gentlemen, this is a very special night for me. Not just because it's Valentine's Day, but because this concert is a realization of my biggest dream. To be able to share the stage with my greatest idol, Regine Velasquez. Sabi nga sa akin ni Mariel nung isang araw, Mariel Rodriguez, sabi niya, alam mo yung concert niyo ni Regine, parang bituing walang ningning. Ang pinagkaibahan lang, yung idol mo, mahal ka. Kasi di ba dun sa pelikulang bituing walang ningning, ayaw sa kanya ng idol niya. Dito mahal ka. Kaya nakakatuwa na dreams really do come true. It is possible. Gagawa at gagawa ang paraan ang Diyos para mahawakan mo yung bituin na tinitingala mo lang dati. Lalong-lalo na kung yung bituin na yon ay yumuyuko para magpahawak talaga sa iyo.
But you know, you're right. Dreams do come true. And if you dream it, you pray, and you work hard, you will certainly achieve what you are dreaming for. Kasi, ikaw, look at you. You are the biggest star here in the Philippines. Soon in the world. Wow! No, but it's true. Ipagpatuloy po natin ang pag-dream, ang pangarap. Dahil everything starts by dreaming. Everything of my story also started out as a dream. And now, I'm here. After 30 years, I'm just so happy that I'm here. And you're saying na pangarap mo lang ito, and now look at you. And a lot of people are inspired by you and your story. So keep doing what you do because a lot of people get inspired. Diba? And that's, kagaya ng sinabi natin kanina, that's why we do what we do. That's why we work hard so that we can encourage other people. And tonight, maraming salamat po sa pagpunta ninyo, for dreaming with us, for celebrating Valentine's Day with us. And mine and Vice's dream is for you guys to continue dreaming.
Yes, and thank you so much for giving us the inspiration to also be inspirations to a lot of people. Ayan. Salamat po sa pagsama sa amin dito sa napakagandang panaginip pong ito. Kaya palakpakan niyo ang bawat isa. I so love you everyone. And I share this dream with all of you tonight. This song is for everyone.